Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I am super excited because I'm finally gonna try out my baby pink hair tint. I got this like a long time ago and I had to, listen to my hair stylist Vera, who told me, girl, you don't want to mess up my ombre. And I was like, yeah, I love this hair. I know what to do with it now and how to play around with it. And I don't want to give it that, false attempt to get this nice, but I don't know what it's going to turn out like. So I was like, keeping this guy on my dressing table forever until Stephanie offered me to help. So she's gonna come around in a minute. She's gonna put this on my hair, so we'll definitely see how some of these lighter colors and how my darker roots are going to change with the baby pink, and hopefully I can pull it off. And meanwhile, I have a little surprise party for her because she is leaving for Taiwan to pursue her dreams. Bravo. And so we're gonna have a little cooking session while my hair's cooking up too, and time for a fun but farewell party for Stephanie. So let's get this started. I don't know how anybody who doesn't speak Korean would use this, and that's probably why you would have to watch this. But it says after you shampoo your hair, towel dry your hair and just get rid of all the water, and spread the product all over the hair and leave between 5 to 20 minutes. So I think that time instruction is just like really dependent on like how you would want it. So if you want like more like strong color to come out, then you could leave it longer. And if you just want like a really light color, then you could just leave it for 5 minutes and be done with it. And maybe the color will be lesser like bold, and also it might last not as long. I think this part has already been on for more than like
20 minutes.
Oh my god.
What's my speed?
So we're gonna leave it to cook for a while. We're gonna clip it. Ooh, look at that. Don't wash your face with that. And we're gonna get cooking to eat because we're so hungry. And can you, before you wash your I'm gonna clip this back so I don't put any of this into my food. Obviously.
Okay. Does it hurt?
Nope, not at all.
Always stays.
Okay.
Press it down.
Yep. Okay, let's get cooking. Bye.
I can't stay.
So good.
Listen to me, please. I've been dreaming about you every night. Now that you are here with me, all I wanna do is hold you東京マリコはいどうも差が激しいらしいはいとろう変わってるでもこれが素直な自分さ今ありのままシアンマゼンタイエローのカラーこのセット選ぶ私なら
Oh my god, we ended up making a Youngtube'S salon in my bathroom. We're washing it off.
Ooh, I see the color.
Dude, look at that.
Miュージックメイクビー嬉しい楽しい大好き It's unique 名前と泥かす街中に朝昼晩の3食プラス間食1日5食いただくでも怒らないでへこんじゃうから一生懸命歌うからこっそり教えてサンテクジュテリー私の星の王子様弾むで嫌いなら負けへんさあ手を叩け勝利の2文字今掲げる黒帯締めて決める背負い投げいただく一本こなすはミッション登場 I'm AMI 周りのような私の
one last thing. Wait for it. It's a little farewell gift. What? I have something for you.
Oh my god.
It's pink. It's pink. Oh my god, this is more pinkier than my hair. Thank you.
Oh my god, the
Open
Young
it.
box sticker.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is so pretty.
Open it.
I don't
Open
want
it.
to ruin this. Pretty. I don't want to. Okay, I got it.
You got it?
Young boss. Fighting.
Here's a true color of the baby pink by 3 Concept Eye Treatment Tints. And honestly, it is a real good treatment because when I washed my hair, even this morning, it was super soft. I couldn't believe it. So don't worry about getting damaged, but be more sure about this color. And if you like it, go and get one yourself. So I'll see you guys next time, and thank you so much for joining. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys. Oh my god, I hope my husband is not gonna freak out when he comes back.
I just hope I don't mess up your hair.